Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Okay guys, we can start the installation. So as usual, the first primary will be Java installation. So we'll go ahead and we'll install Java. Yeah, so click next. Next. So we require JRE and JDK. What is the difference between JRE and JDK?
One is runtime and one is development kit.
Okay. So what is the difference between both of these two?
In order to run the services in the background, we need runtime environment.
And development kit?
Not sure on that.
Okay. Okay. So now we are going to implement this JRE. Click next. So do you guys have any idea, apart from Java, Oracle Java, so what are the different type of provider we have in market apart from Oracle? Okay, imagine instead of Windows, we have Linux environment. So in that scenario, which Java provider you are going to choose?
There's OpenJDK or something like that to open.
Okay, you can go ahead for that. But the most commonly used application in Linux, when it comes to Linux, it will be Red Hat. Okay, close. So Java installed successfully.
Click next or close?
No, it's close. That's it.
Okay.
So second, we are going to install application server called Apache Tomcat. Again, it's a pretty simple one. Next. I agree. Next. Okay, here it's very important. So 8080 is the common port which the tool application itself pick automatically. If the 8080 is not available, then you can pick 8081 or 82, the connector, whatever port is available. Okay, so here if you want to create any service account, you can mention the username and password or else leave it as it is. Click next. And this is the Windows service name. Whenever you are going to start or stop your application services, you have to search with this name, Tomcat 8. Or if you want to change the service name, you can do it right away.
We don't have to put that. Would have to put that username and password.
No, not required.
Okay.
If you want. Yeah.
Next.
So the application services, it will pick the JRE runtime environment automatically. So that's the reason we have installed Java first. Click next.
Okay.
Install. So this is the location where application server is going to install. Click finish. So application server got installed successfully. We have to do the validation, right? We have to verify whether it got installed successfully or not. How to do that? The same applies to Java also. We need to perform the validation, whether it's working as expected or not.
You have to check Java version, right? In the command prompt.
Yeah. When it for application server. Yeah. We can do the validation later. No worries. First, we'll install all the required software. Can you close this? So third, we are going to install the MySQL server. Okay, not required. No need to upgrade. Yeah. So now we are going to install MySQL server. Guys, try to imagine. So we are going to install MySQL server. Where we are going to create a database, our own Sailpoint database. The moment you are going to create a database and the data will get stored inside that, we have to access the database, right? Sometimes we may require to make some changes. We have to do the validation. We have to fetch the data. So in that scenario, we require one more application, or MySQL Workbench or SSMS, whatever application it may be. Try to understand, we need one more tool to access the database, basically. So in that scenario, we can choose custom, or else you can select server only. Okay, select custom, click next. Okay, so from here, can you expand that MySQL server? Expand again. Okay, choose any version, 8.0. What is the difference between patch and upgrade? Okay, choose any one patch version. Expand that again. Select any one version.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Can you minimize this MySQL, your left hand side? Yeah, now expand that application. Expand MySQL Workbench. Again, any one version, expand that. Select any one patch. Click next. Yeah, now execute. I choose this MySQL installer because let's say if there is any prerequisite required like C++ or something, it will fetch automatically and it will do the installation. Or else you can download the MySQL server directly from the respective website, official website. So far, are we clear? Anyone has any question?
Yeah. Later on, after the course is finished, can I uninstall it, and install it again, or would
Yeah,
that
you
work?
can do it. You can do that.
Yeah. No, I mean, I will do it by myself, like, I mean, after the course is complete, I will have to practice and do the installation by uninstalling it, I guess, and install it again.
You can.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so far we have installed Java, we have installed application server, we have installed database server. It's in progress. Yeah, can you click on next? Next. Yeah, now we need to configure the MySQL server. Okay, so we required standalone SQL server. That's fine. Next. Okay, so configuration type in real-time environment, it will be different. So you can skip this step. Next. Yeah, one thing. Can you click on back? Here we have port number again. So 3306. This is the default port. The port is not available. You can try with some other port which is available. Yeah, click next. So use strong password. Click next.
So I put the password here?
Yes. So don't forget the password, or else just type like admin123 in lowercase. Because sometimes it will be difficult to reset the password if you forget. You cannot retrieve.
Okay.
Okay. Click next.
Next.
Okay. Again, this is Windows service name. It's similar to the Tomcat service name. If you want to change the service name, you can. With the help of this service name, we are going to start, stop, restart the services. Okay, click next. Execute. That's it. The server, my database server installation is done.
Next here, or it's complete.
Yes,
Next,
next,
or
unfinish. Yeah, next, unfinish.
No, let it be open. Double click on this. Yeah. So it will be asking for password.
the password I put, correct?
Okay. I think this is our SQL server. And so where we'll be executing our queries. Can you scroll down to schema? Down. Next tab. Yeah. If you can see the services. Okay. You have to add the services. So I think Rakesh will be helping on that.
what services we need to add on here?
No, it's Kaushik here basically. So it's tables. I was referring to tables.
Okay.
So we have identity IQ, sysadmin, plugin.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.